Hey the greedy family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
Tell them first, lady, before I say the wrong thing.
Today we have a pre-Thanksgiving dinner.
Yes.
Southern style.
Yes. Yes, we said Thanksgiving. I know it's coming way down here.
I've done this before.
Yeah.
I've made Thanksgiving meal throughout the year. And, you know, you guys know I'm still working on my background for the outfit of the day, so you're not going to see one. It's nothing spectacular, okay, guys? But, you know, I wanted to look how I wanted to look, all right?
Yes.
So we're going to dig in.
Well, you tell them what you got over here first, lady.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm hungry.
Tell them what you got.
So I have a rotisserie chicken that I rotisserie. Okay, I have a rotisserie at home, I do.
Yes.
And I made some collard greens with some smoked neck bones. And then I also made some cornbread, okay?
Homemade.
Homemade. Then I have some homemade macaroni and cheese. And I have some candied yams with some good old brown sugar, pineapple, raisins, and marshmallows.
You giving out a recipe already? What if they wanted it?
I mean, but that is see how I make it,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of raisins, but for some reason, when I have it in the candied yams, I love it.
Looks delicious.
Can I have the Tabasco sauce, please?
Oh, the non-hot one? So
And where my honey?
What do you want? I'm right here, but where your honey? You see, I'm right here next to you, but where your honey?
Oh,
It's a bread.
you're my sugar. You're my
Sugar
sugar.
too sweet. So what you gonna? You gonna eat? Oh, go eat.
Yeah.
Come and catch up to you. So you know we got the baby rays on deck always. And me and First Lady drinking Crush. You know, this is the only time I could drink Crush, cause you know, First Lady says it's the only time she approved me to drink a Crush.
You can't lie.
Crush, I could call you a name Crush.
Oh, who you crush on?
Family, we're gonna eat. Let's start eating. Yeah. Pre-vat. I said pre-Valentine, but
You far. That's next year.
Family, when she was cooking this, I smelled it, I said, wow.
Macaroni and cheese with candied yam is like the best thing ever. Oh, shoot.
You know, gotta have the balls on deck, grace always. Right there. I don't put it on your cornbread.
Where we gonna put it?
I'm gonna put it on your cornbread, my youth. Gotta have that grace on deck, you know. If there's no grace, there's no race.
I've done this before. Remember, at least once a year, I would make
Yeah.
a Thanksgiving meal just like this.
So this is the pre. Imagine when Thanksgiving come, family. You don't see it. Ooh, hot. Say you.
Big oxtail.
Don't tell them that. Everything gonna be smashing on. Damn.
I remember when you worked at the other job.
Yeah.
When he used to work at the other job, he used to have to work Thanksgiving sometimes. Like I guess they would alternate years. So when he had to work on Thanksgiving Day, we would go to our family house or our friend's house for Thanksgiving
Yeah.
while he was at work. And then the next day will be our Thanksgiving. I will make Thanksgiving dinner the next day.
That's how we rock.
Can't have Thanksgiving without the husband.
Gotta have my Thanksgiving. You crazy? You know what I'm saying? I like that sound.
ASMR.
Yeah. Gotta have my Thanksgiving.
God.
Damn, the watermelon. That's crazy. We don't eat watermelon, but we drink the juice.
That's watermelon?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Tastes good. That's crazy, right, family? We don't eat watermelon. No, well, you
I
thought
thought it was strawberry, yeah.
When you're greedy, you don't know you have to pay attention. And greedy, you're greedy. That's weird, right, family? And I don't like papaya, the fruit, but I love the papaya juice. That's crazy. Yeah.
That's true.
Look, what is it? It's a turkey neck? There's a turkey neck right here. I like to show them, you know, first they tell you. You see that? You see what y'all did? My goodness, man.
Yo.
My God. I'm showing y'all my turkey neck drop. It's alright.
Oh my.
I feel on top of way now.
Anyhow, Sasha was in here, that'd have been gone.
First lady, you set me up enough. You didn't tell me I'm pushing me on too far.
That was funny as I don't know what.
You put your foot in this one.
Thank you, honey.
You put your foot, your goddess locks.
I put everything, huh?
You put your whole body, man.
Your whole body.
So how y'all doing?
Put a little honey.
Fine.
Let that go and simmer. Simmer. Who got the keys to the big man? Who am I?
With your sugar. Yes, I heard y'all. Yes, we are pre-Thanksgiving. We're just showing you a little bit. No?
When you guys hear me bust out a song, don't pay me in mind. I do that all the time. But 9 times out of 10, it's a Jamaican song. So, for my yardies out there,
Big up on yourself.
big up on yourself.
Yo, I'm gonna put my chicken over on the camera and make it drop, you know. I ain't showing y'all. My turkey neck just dropped.
That chicken juicy too. That's why I love rotisserie. Cause it's so soft. But the rotisserie that I have, I made a mistake one time. Because it was my first time having a rotisserie, right?
Yeah, look, that'll be your business, no? Go on, man, tell them.
And what happened was I tie up the chicken leg, but I didn't tie up the whole body. So I'm sitting there chilling. Next thing I hear, I just hear boom. Chicken fall apart, spread out.
Freaky chicken. Yeah, man. No,
So now I know I have to wrap it really good because it's spinning.
You're a pro now.
I'm a pro now.
Yeah, chat. And family, one more thing again. I'm not a turkey person like that, but I eat it sometime.
Oh yeah.
I'm not a turkey fan.
Me neither, but
Yeah.
when we for Thanksgiving, we fry our turkey.
Yes. Fried turkey is the way to go.
It's so good. All you do is marinate it like a few days before, so you can really get nice and in there, the season.
Yeah.
And when you fry it, it takes 35 minutes instead of 3 hours or 2 hours. And it's so juicy on the inside. My goodness.
We're hooked now. You gotta fry your turkey too? We hooked to that now.
Yeah.
It's fried so fast too. Right and juicy.
I didn't have that much cheddar cheese, but you gotta improvise. Are you making macaroni and cheese?
Nobody asked you that.
One thing about
Yeah, nobody asked you that. Was you tell us again, chat? Nobody asked you about the cheddar cheese? My God, young. Nobody asked you that, family.
You're so annoying.
Nobody asked this girl nothing. She just loved just to talk her business.
I'm saying because I'm trying to tell the family.
Okay, but did they ask?
No, but listen, honey, Sugarfoot, listen. What I'm saying is I'm trying to tell them. And sometimes if you don't have something to make a recipe, improvise. I thought I had more cheddar than I had, and I just used more mozzarella. I used whatever cheese I had, I used it. It still tastes good. Don't freak yourself out when you're cooking because you don't have the exact ingredients. That's what I mean.
You chat too much, man. Sorry, you're proud of that. No, they're pay billion. Did you ask? No, you didn't.
They did.
Since she tell you now, I know y'all wanted to hear. No, you heard what she said. So improvise.
Improvise.
Do your own thing.
Something come out.
Yeah, do your own thing, okay, family? Make it your way, to your liking, to your own thing, whatever. So a lot of things we improvise on. We don't have it, we'll make it work. But y'all would have never known.
Yeah, because I'm not going to the store just for a little. It's not that serious. As long as you have cheese, that's why it's called macaroni and cheese. You understand?
Yep. Macaroni and chill. Yo, this is good. I ain't lying.
You ain't capping?
I ain't capping, son. This is good. Well moist. You know what I'm saying? I deserve this meal. What do you think?
I think you deserve every meal. I'm gonna try this cornbread.
Yeah, I think I deserve every meal. Yeah. Let me know.
It's making a mess.
Yeah. I'm still mad about my turkey that dropped down, you know?
Can't get it right.
Just off right now, yo.
I made this with this cornbread with
From scratch. Nice. It's so soft. It's so soft. I can tell. I'm gonna take
it's like
these.
falling apart.
Yeah.
It's made with what is something called? Cream of corn. I added a can of cream of corn in there.
I have one clue what you're talking about.
When I went to Richie's cousin's house, his wife made it with a cream of corn, and it was so good. And I said I want to try it.
Big up yourself, Kim. First day they made the cornbread. You gonna eat your cornbread?
Hey girl, you gonna eat your cornbread?
Your chicken looks soft, man.
Make sure you stay over there.
Yeah.
I'm not with it to you today.
I don't eat dark meat. I like white meat.
Really?
So you can have that. I'm a white meat person.
So you're racist.
No, I just don't want it dark.
I'm saying. So you're racist against the chicken.
Race against the chicken. I like my white meat. I like them.
The dark meat is so much better because it's so much juicier.
For you? My chicken is nice for me. Your chicken is nice for you. Right?
Family, you know Richie said to me that that chicken was too big?
It was.
And then he told me, how long the food gonna take? I'm starving.
The chicken was too big.
You didn't.
You gave me half of the chicken, girl.
Honey,
What?
you didn't look like you had no problem with that chicken.
And yes, for all the subscribers and the family members that want to know that we eat and we still small, I work in a warehouse again, so I burn it off. I also play basketball, so I burn it off. I take First Lady walking, so she burn it, walk out, jogging, whatever. So we burn it off, and we only eat one meal a day. Right, First Lady?
Yeah.
Me, on the other end, I munch on stuff. But
Yeah.
First Lady only eat one meal a day, and basically that's it. I may go and snack on some stuff now and there, but when we come on to do the show, one meal a day.
1 meal a day. And
Let them know, First Lady. Elaborate some more.
This
Let
is-
me knock you, First Lady, please.
Okay, baby. And this is not. I don't do this because of mukbang. I've been doing this. I like to fast, and I probably will start another 5-day fast. I've done it before.
Wait, what's the 5 day going on? What are you going to do for the 5 days?
Just drink nothing but water.
Yeah, I know it.
Yeah.
Huh? I'm going to eat my food. Now I drink water. She alone, so she
For
gonna come on
5 days.
camera, drink water for 5 days, and while I'm eating, and she drinking water.
And I can show you guys my progress. I can show you
Yeah.
guys how much I weighed and how much I lost. Doing a water fast. I do that. I try to do that at least once every few months because you have to detox. You have to give your body a break. Your body is constantly running because it's digesting your food.
Yeah.
It's your body has your heart, your lungs, your liver. So.
Yeah.
And it's 24 hours. The only time your body gets to really take care of itself is when you're sleeping. You know, when you're up, it's like on full load.
Yeah.
But when you detox, it gets a chance for your body to get rid of all the old stuff that's in your body. You do have old stuff in your body, you know? Toxin, stuff like that.
Yep. Family. I ain't gonna lie, I seen her did it numerous times. I said, what the hell? No, not me. I can't do it. I can't go a second without putting something in my mouth to taste. And I said I wanted to go naked and afraid. You gotta be crazy. I'll take that back. First Lady, you remember this? You remember the time that when I signed up for, what was the show name?
Oh,
Tell them.
I forgot.
Don't give up my government. No full government. No, because you love to know my say the wrong thing because you're going to get drunk.
I almost did.
Yeah. You almost give them my whole government, everything. Tell them.
It was,
what was the show name? I'm going to see if I remember the show. It was it's like a, it's just
Wipeout.
Like, yeah, Wipeout. Do you remember Wipeout? I'm waiting. Okay. All right. I'll give you a second. You're probably Googling it. We're Googling. Go ahead. All right. I'm done now. Yes. Okay. Good. You got it right. You remember that, right? Okay.
So we had. Okay. We're gonna give you guys a fun fact. Richie is very good at flipping.
Yeah. I'm a good gymnastic person. Oh, sorry. Wow.
See how I move?
That's when I move when chicken I get beat for me.
He can flip. I don't know the correct names, but he can do a double somersault, blah blah. I mean, back flip, forward flip. He can start from this end of the road and flip all the way to the next end of the road. I mean, and doing different maneuvers.
Here he is back again. All right, I'm going to give you Kip's Florex score.
All right. So I said, honey, you'll be good on Wipeout. And he said, yeah, man, sign me up, man, let her do it. So we sent in all his information. We signed him up and everything. Richie was at work one day, and I'm there watching Wipeout. Nothing more. Remember, Richie had dreads. At the time, he didn't have a beard. But he had his dreads. Richie's name is Richie. I see them say, next person is Richard Bop Bop. And I'm like, what the? And I look, the guy, same same name, and the same last name as Richie.
Same last.
He had dreads. And he was about the same height as Richie, skinny like Richie.
Same place you come from too.
Yes. And he came from Florida. And he had a t-shirt and basketball shorts. And that's what Richie used to wear back then. If he wasn't playing basketball, he had a basketball shorts on. And the guy was flipping. And I could not believe it. I was like, oh my gosh.
Yeah. That guy stole my shine. I was tight.
Back then, we didn't have a DVR, so I couldn't record it.
I didn't see it. I'm up to this day. I keep asking her if she can't pull it up to let me see. You finished talking? You done?
No.
Okay, keep on.
So when he called me on his break, I said, honey, I saw you on TV. And he was like, what? And I was telling him, the guy had the same name, dreads, blah, blah, blah. And he was like, you kidding me? And I said, no, I promise you. Then, because his name was going to be Flippin' Rasta.
Yeah.
That was his name.
Yeah, my name was gonna be Flippin' Rasta. We made the video, everything.
We submitted it.
We submitted it.
But
yeah.
Now, after we saw the guy with the same first name, same last name, same dreads, everything, he looked so similar to Richie. I couldn't believe it. We said they're never gonna call you now because they're gonna say we already had a Richard such and such on the show with dreads. We were so mad.
I was tight. And when I was at work, people tell me, yo, I saw you on Wipeout. I said, I wasn't on Wipeout. They said, yo, the person had everything of you. I said, my wife was just telling me the same thing. I couldn't believe that. I almost made it till that guy steal my shine. So wherever you are, good job.
You're a hater.
You're a hater.
No, you're a hater. Good job. No, and the man not even make it.
He didn't make it?
Honey, the guy.
He didn't make it? You say he failed at the first time?
Yes, he didn't say. The man walkless, man.
Walkless piece of boy, man.
Walkless. Mr. The man. I don't know if you guys remember Wipeout.
Oh my God.
The first part where you had to run down the hill. And then when you run down the hill, it was these things in the water and you had to jump on it really fast to get to the next side. Mr. The man jump on the first one and drop. Let me translate it. The guy ran on the first one and he fell in the water. And then he was
whacked, son. Yo, real
I
talk.
was like, really?
I feel some type of way right now when you tell me about that story again, you know, because I know I could have passed it. Because you know I like stuff like that. I like them little boot camp stuff like that.
He didn't even get like halfway through. Mr. The man dropped on him face, hurling on the road, like dropping on the water.
And he go like a wicked man.
Oh, it's so pissed off. I said that could have been my husband on the damn show.
For real,
Jeez.
man. Yep. I like that Wipeout, but yeah.
I'm full.
I know y'all know about it. Let me know in the comment section if you remember that Wipeout. You full? You're full of you don't know what I'm not. Cause I'm not full.
I had a lot of food.
I thought you give me a piece of more chicken, you gave me some other piece of chicken.
Richard, I'm gonna start recording you now.
Yo, I said give me a bigger piece of chicken, you gave me a small piece of chicken.
No, you said that chicken too big.
I don't remember that shit. I must have got old timers.
It must be. And you said the chicken too big. That's the honey. Yeah, right.
You know what that?
You know what? Nobody with that in the man. You don't like this part of the chicken.
No.
The skin could be a little bit crispier. That's the only thing I.
Why everything just dropping out my damn mouth?
That's
yo?
what I'm saying. My mouth too.
Everything fell out my mouth. What's going on with y'all today?
Everything in my mouth too.
I'm nervous.
What are you nervous for? You should say you're Hollywood. You shouldn't be nervous no more.
Don't say. I'm Hollywood, son.
Oh, skin crispy.
Remember I want me a chicken, so give me the macaroni too, that piece of chicken.
No.
I told you I don't like this part of chicken, but you still give me. I'm gonna eat it. Well, yeah, that was just a little story and telling you how it went down. No?
We were so mad.
And if they did have it again, I'd have tried again. I was so mad. You should have win.
Or at least go halfway.
Walkless boy. Come
I
on.
couldn't believe it. Until the man dropped on the first something, not even a third, the first.
I know you could have the first section.
And he was flipping, and run, boom, boom. I said, wow. And you had the nerve to have my husband's name?
Flipping Rasta. That did it.
We recorded it in the backyard.
Oh, God.
And Richard did like 5-6 flips back to back. I'm telling you, he's good at flipping. I was shocked.
I'm a good gymnast.
I was shocked when he did that. I was like,
I haven't done a flip in a long time now. I can't do it.
You could do it.
I'm old. Fuck with the one.
Like the time when I was at the boot camp, I was working out at this boot camp place. I used to work out like 5 days a week. And he came to visit, and he's watching me work out and stuff. And at the end, I'm trying to get up this rope. I'm like, honey, I can't do it. And he was like, you have to. He was trying to show me how to do it, but I couldn't do it because I didn't have enough upper strength at the time. And somebody said to him, man, you can't go up there. And he said, I can go up there, I just don't want to. You know, I didn't come here to work out. I just came here to watch my wife, you know. And the person said it again, and he said, all right.
Watch my wife and watch the guy who's looking.
So he said, all right. He handed me his phone.
You see switch your conversation fast?
Be quiet. He handed me his phone, and Richard went
Climb up
down.
Climb up that like a lizard.
Let me get my phone. I said, whoa. You know, I had to take him home right away. Wow.
Trying to make me look like I can't do it. Yo. Watch this. Like a Spider-Man.
Like, what's his name? Donkey Kong?
Donkey Kong. Yeah, you know what Donkey Kong, he can't rope.
That's how Richie was. Just like that, fast. And then back down. I said, God damn.
First, this was delicious.
Thank you,
as always.
Oh, we're not even done the cornbread. I'm full. The cornbread, it tastes good though. I'm full.
I eat a cornbread later. Cornbread no fast. All right.
Warm that up with some hot tea.
Yeah. You know this is the segment time right now, the special part after the eating. Pastor Rich in the building now, so you know, gotta switch over now to Pastor. Today, the word is for my family, right? If you lose someone, but find yourself, you won. Something light and easy today, not too fast, you know, not too long. If you lose someone, but find yourself, you won. There you go, you know what to do. I'm not even gonna say it because you know what to do already.
Yeah.
Appreciate y'all. Thank you for liking, shared.
Smell good.
Yeah, man. Wasashi. Yeah, man. All the new subscribers, we appreciate y'all. All the day ones, we appreciate y'all. First lady, your turn. Wasashi smell good, man.
It smell good, man. It smell good, man. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.